Dental crown prices in Europe vs. Turkey, which is the better option? When it comes to dental treatments, one of the most common procedures is getting a dental crown. Dental crowns are used to restore a damaged tooth or improve its appearance, and they can be quite expensive, especially in Europe. However, there is an alternative option that is gaining popularity among patients: getting dental crowns in Turkey. In this article, we will compare the prices of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey to help you decide which option is the better choice for you. Dental crown prices in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns can vary depending on the country and the dental clinic. On average, the cost of a dental crown in Europe ranges from A500 to A1000 per tooth. In countries such as Germany, France, and the UK, the prices tend to be on the higher end of the spectrum, with some clinics charging up to A1500 per tooth for a dental crown. These prices can be quite a burden for patients, especially if they need multiple dental crowns. In addition to the high cost, patients in Europe may also have to deal with long waiting times for dental appointments. This can be frustrating, especially for patients who are in need of immediate dental treatment. Furthermore, some European countries may not offer the same level of quality and expertise when it comes to dental treatments, which can further impact the overall cost and outcome of the procedure. Dental crown prices in Turkey. On the other hand, getting dental crowns in Turkey can be a more affordable option for patients. The cost of a dental crown in Turkey ranges from A200 to A500 per tooth, which is significantly lower than the prices in Europe. This lower cost is due to the lower cost of living in Turkey, as well as the lower labor and operating expenses for dental clinics in the country. Despite the lower cost, patients in Turkey can expect to receive the same high-quality dental treatments as in Europe. Turkish dentists are highly trained and experienced professionals who use the latest technology and techniques to provide patients with the best possible dental care. In addition, many dental clinics in Turkey cater to international patients and offer services in multiple languages, making it easier for foreign patients to communicate with their dentists. Comparing dental crown prices, Europe vs. Turkey. When comparing the prices of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey, it is clear that Turkey offers a more affordable option for patients. Not only are the prices lower in Turkey, but patients can also expect to receive high-quality dental treatments from experienced professionals. In addition, patients in Turkey can benefit from shorter waiting times for appointments, making it easier for them to get the dental care they need. Overall, if you are in need of dental crowns and are looking for a more affordable option, getting dental crowns in Turkey may be the better choice for you. Not only will you save money on the cost of the procedure, but you can also expect to receive top-notch dental care from skilled professionals. So why pay more in Europe when you can get the same quality treatment for a fraction of the price in Turkey? Consider all your options and make an informed decision that is best for your dental health and your wallet.